We are going to be getting rain for the next couple of days, and as you can see, my tomatoes are really taking off. They're growing. There's so much growth from my last video last week. So one of my favorite things to do is to grow it against a fence. One, it just kind of helps support the tomatoes. As I shared in my past video, I have a variety of different tomatoes, and I'm already starting to get some blooms on some of them. Let's see, right there. But I've already started staking some of my tomatoes. I've got some blooms here too. And after I stake them up, I don't use the sticks. What I do is Dollar Tree. I actually went to Dollar Tree and I found this garden string, and it's pretty sturdy. It was a good price for $1. So, and you get like a nice little roll of it. So I got one, and I just wanted to try it out to see how it does. So what I've done is I just kind of went ahead and wrapped it around and then kind of tied it up on to the fence, and that will kind of help support my tomatoes as we do get some stormy, rainy weather. My tomatoes won't fall over. They've started kind of like leaning forward, and I want them to kind of like grow back. So I just wanted to share that little tip. I know there's so many different ways of staking your tomatoes. Some people use the sticks or the poles, and I'm just using the back of my fence to help support. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna kind of gently tie them up. And so I'm gonna go ahead, I've got a nice little row to do. I'm gonna go ahead, finish, and then I will show you the final project. And then I had some cucumbers that were like all over in this walk area, and they've grown very well. So I went ahead and started staking up some of my cucumbers as well. All right, so I'm gonna finish and then I will show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, so there it is. It's staked up. It just started to rain. I'm gonna, after it stops raining, the sun is shining, I am going to show you how I go underneath the tomato branches and trim off the bottoms. But I just wanted to show you for now how I stake my tomatoes. Like I said, it just kind of supports it and keeps it from falling over, as we will be getting some rain. And also I wanted to show you that my red nasturtiums have bloomed. I'm super excited about that. Just wanted to show you how I stake my tomatoes. And then in the back of my tomatoes, purposely, I have mint growing all on the back of my tomato fence. And mint deters all the bad bugs from my tomato plant. So just wanted to show you. So after the rain, I will get underneath my tomatoes and start pruning them, because you want to keep your tomato leaves from touching the ground. So I'm gonna prune all this, clean this up, but I'm gonna wait until we get sunny weather. So just wanted to show you. And then I did the same with my cucumbers over here. They were on the ground, and I want to train my cucumbers to go up this fence. And again, I have mint growing all in this area. This one, this cucumber kind of found this pole as support, and so I'm just gonna let nature do its thing. But I did want it to support this area. And look at this squash. It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. actually got a little bit of, let's see, one of my corn actually tasseled, and you can see it rained earlier this morning and it kind of knocked my lawn, so I have to go back there and support that. So that was another reason why I came in the garden, and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and support my tomatoes before they're like all falling over. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. Stay tuned this weekend. I'll be adding some other garden update videos. I'll see you soon. Blessings.